Yeah, I gotta go now. You gotta move your hand. No one can. What are you doing, Avery girl? You climbing? At 3 weeks? You trying to climb up?
Where are you going? Huh? Where are you going? You're already on top.
She don't know. You can see the little muscles in her legs right here. I mean, they are strong. Right there. Oop, doesn't like being touched.
Time to start up. Jeez. Where are you going? Are you coming? Here, I'll give you something to kick off of.
Kick off and roll over, I guess, all at once.
Come on.
That face she's giving you.
Standing up on her own. I'm not holding.
I know.
Come on. Almost here.
She's got those runner thighs. You can see the indentation in her muscle from here. It's crazy.
You're way too strong. You are. Come on.
Is she doing that all on her
Yes,
own?
I'm not doing it. I'm just giving her something to push off of.
Where are you going, baby girl?
I'm trying to poop.
Colette, stop. Colette, stop. Jeez.
Get the dog on videotape. Bean's jealous.
She won't. Colette, nobody wants that bone. Nobody wants that bone. I don't want that. Go away. She's jealous. Is that better, sweet girl? Yeah. You got gas.
Why don't you just pop a squat? Be comfortable, huh? There's no dad, sorry, that's unacceptable. You're falling. You have no stability muscles. You can push, but that's it. No stability muscles. You're tough though.